Okay, so I was looking at your work and everything looks great up until right here. Once you did this step, which gave you a negative value, remember what we're seeing here is the equivalent of 5y's minus 5v's minus p equals negative 25. And what we're saying at this point is our goal. Remember, our goal is to maximize p. And because we have the negative sign, the maximization comes a little funky. So what we're going to do is just multiply through by a negative 5y plus 5v plus 1p equals positive 25. So if we do that, what happens, you will see, is our pivot's going to be different. So now that's going to be plus 25 plus 1 plus 5, negative 5. So now while we're looking at it from this perspective, our pivot is now around what's our largest negative number. It's that. I didn't think to say that in class because I've never seen anybody do this. Learning curve. Sorry, I apologize. Now I know to make it very explicit. And also, so here I would recommend, again, you don't have to do it, but just to be consistent, since you have a negative 2, I would multiply that equation through as well by a negative 1 to make it so it's positive, to keep it with an initial setup of simplex, saying all of our equal signs need to be greater than or equal to 0. Anyway, long story short. So now continue from there. Just don't use this anymore. Pivot in this row. So we're going to say in our y column, because that has a negative value now. So now we're going to say 1. And this would be negative, so that's not it. 1 and 1 third, 3. So your pivot's going to be there or there, your choice. Okay. I hope that actually, never mind. I apologize. Not there or around the 2. Those are going to be your choices. Okay. I hope that made sense.